What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning Climb on Your Tears, a super easy version, not the accurate version, but an easy version of the song. And it's pretty fun to play. It sounds a lot like the original. I'm going to play it for you what it's going to sound like, and you can go ahead and download the PDF if you want to follow along. This is what it's going to look like. It's got all the chords, everything, and let me play it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been dreaming about you for a long time in my mind. I've been seeing you lying here. I can't help thinking it's been a long time. So it's a simple song, just 4 chords actually, E minor thrown in there. Okay, and let's go through it slowly. So the chords are D. In this course we have already learned, this song is part of our course, the Paper Kites course, okay. We've learned the D, okay, simple song, D, okay. D sus2. Let's actually have a different view for this so that you guys can see clearly. I can see clearly. So that's D sus2. You take off the middle finger. Okay, so just to review, the D, it looks like that. And then D sus2 is like a D without the middle finger. Okay. D, D sus2, D, D sus2, D, D sus2. The sus stands for suspended second. We'll learn more of the theory later in the course, but that's the main thing. Then you keep your ring finger here, and you take these 2 fingers and put them in the middle of the guitar, right over there. And that's an A sus4, A suspended fourth. Now it's gonna sound pretty cool. So it's G. So A sus4. Now the G that we're going to use, you can use this G where you keep the ring finger there, put the pinky behind there, below it, and put the middle finger at the top. And that little X means you mute this 5th string here. Then this finger is open to do other cool stuff like this later. Okay, so we got D, A sus4, and then G. Now you could also use this G, which you'll see me use in the song. This G is just the same as this one, it's just the ring finger goes down and the pinky goes off. Okay, then E minor 7. Okay, this G we're not going to do because that's more going to be in the advanced one. E minor, and then you add the ring finger there, or the pinky. The pinky will be easier. So it's like an E minor, but with the pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Okay, that's that for the chords, and then we might use a regular A or A7. So you could use an A, and if the A is too tough, you could use an A7 with this song. That's not a general rule, but with this song you can use an A7. Okay, so chord progression, we got 2 beats on the D, 2 beats on the A sus4, and then 4 beats on the G. So you're gonna strum like 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. That's for the main part of the song, for the intro and the verses and most of the song. That's what you're gonna play. anyway, that's the electric riff. We'll do that in the next lesson, but this is the easy version. So let's just do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So there's progressions for the chorus and the intro, not the verses. The verses is there. And the verses is a little bit easier. It's just going to be D, G. Now these little things here, just want to tell you what this means. That means bounce back and repeat where you see that. So then this part you're going to loop, but only once. If it was going to be 3 times, then you'll see something written here like times 3 or times 4. But if it's just written there and there, it means just repeat it once. Okay. So let me know who's watching in the live stream still. It would be cool to know. Okay, anyway, so the verse goes 1, 2, 3, 4, then G. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're yawning. 1, 2. Of course, man. Of course you're watching. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G. 1, 2. Then it's the same as the intro. Boom, da, 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 da. Now, this song really becomes fun if you play with the original song. So put on the original track, take the PDF, and then play with it. I'm going to upload the PDF soon after I've given this lesson. Then I'll upload it. Okay, so, but let's quickly play together the first part, and then we'll talk a bit about the strumming. Okay. We'll do the chorus first. Now the chorus, you'll see there's written an A, but wherever there's an A, you can, in the key of D, which is the key that this song is in, then you can almost always play an A sus 4. It sounds really nice. So what you want to do is you want to play 1, 2, but you want to move your hand like this in 8th notes. So quarter notes is going to be 1, 2. So now I'm moving my hands quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1 strum per beat. But I want to strum twice per beat. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And you count like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you have the right feel for the song, which is very important. What I'm saying now is very important for you as a guitar player. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm still hitting the strings on the quarter notes, but my hand is moving at 8th note speed. And that means I can put those funky stuff in between that makes it sound really pro. It's just because my hand is moving at the right speed. Now a beginner would play the song like this. It is like a ladder to glory. And that's fine, it sounds good. But if you get with that 8th note speed with your hand, then it's got that nice feel. Okay, that's it. Let's just do the verse now. That's the chorus. The verse. 1, 2, 3, D, and go. That's it. Once you do that, you're good with the song. Keep going. Upload your covers to YouTube, and tag Jooba School of Music. It'll be so awesome for me to see, and then I will, and then just send me like a Discord or something, and then I'll go check out your video and maybe give you some tips and stuff, and you can improve. Cool, guys. That's it for that lesson, and now we're going to do the advanced version of that one. Cheers. Okay, so let's write down the time. What's up, everyone?